Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune report for Terry in Kentucky on his Ranger RCI 99N2. Terry, we got it ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment. We unlocked a clarifier for you per your request. Start with the RF power all the way down on AEM side. 100-watt slug. 5 watts all the way down. 50 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, hello, 1. 250 in the corner. I'm sorry, 100 in the corner. 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2. 250 watt slug in the corner. Let's go over to sideband. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 250 there as well. Flip the amp off, go to AM. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, audio. A good 50 watts. Alright, Terry, it's ready to come to you, bud. I hope you enjoy it. Your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.